This Sunday is David Seuis's and my 34th wedding anniversary, and I wanted to do something special for you, baby. This marriage that we've had has been the most wonderful journey that I could have ever asked for. I know we've had a lot of difficult times, but we've had way more better times and beautiful memories than we ever have had difficulties. And I love you with all my heart. Everything that is in me belongs to you. And this is a surprise for you. This is a song that I sang at the altar to you 34 years ago this Sunday, February 23rd. And I still feel the same about you. You're the rain and I'm still the rose.
And sunlight, one day the tender showers came and caused the bud to bloom. The bud was a rose, the rose was me, the tender shower was you. And now we're blooming together as we start out for the rainbow above. We'll be together forever, you and me, us and we, always in love. One day this rose will fade, tender showers will run dry, but our love for each other will only grow as the years pass us by, and as eternity rolls on. Showers dry and the flower dies, we'll still have all eternity as we love on together in the skies. And now we're moving together as we start out for the rainbow above. We'll be together forever, you and me, us and we, always in love. You and me, us and we, always in
I love you, David Seuis.